Hi, Janice Lippman here of the Ellen and Janice Real Estate Team. I'm going to show you 53 Wenham Street, unit number 2 in Forest Hills, Jamaica Plain. This is a wonderful, flexible floor plan unit, hardwood floors throughout. There's a great, spacious bedroom slash office. This room is connected to the master bedroom, which is gorgeous and has plenty of room and has an ensuite, either walk-in closet, dressing area, or office, depending on how you want to use the space. There's also an additional bedroom off of the hall, which is very spacious, has a closet. They clearly use this for their young child. The unit also has central air conditioning and heat, gas. The bathroom is completely renovated. Beautiful shower, tub, tile flooring, granite counter vanity, and plenty of room. The living room is spacious with space enough for a love seat and a couch and your big screen TV. And there's also a bar area for entertaining. French doors lead back out to the kitchen, where you'll find quartz counters, gas cooking, a microwave, ample cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and a big breakfast island. There's also a screened-in porch for those warm summer evenings, and one-car parking. Walk to Forest Hills shops, restaurants, and everything that this property has to offer. Again, contact us at the Ellen and Janice team at compass.com or by calling 617-869-0496. Thank you.